Hello YouTube, let's go over the Robinhood Portfolio just right quick. Right now the portfolio is up $14,366. For today I am up $12, and in the after hours I am down just $1. We're going to quickly talk about some of these ETFs, guys. You guys already know I have an all ETF portfolio. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, 139. Shares 50, average cost 121. Total return, I am up 14% on this ETF for $877. Pretty good ETF. Right now we're looking at VEXUS, Vanguard Total International Stock Market ETF. It's been going down recently. Right now we're sitting at $50. Average cost 46. Total return, I'm up 8% on this for $199. Portfolio diversity is at 17%. Next up, we have the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF sitting around $79. This does contribute a monthly dividend yield sitting around 10 shares or so. Average cost $79. A portfolio diversity of 5%. Pretty good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I just wanted to buy some government bonds for around 5% of my portfolio. The dividend yield is sitting around 270. Pretty good ETF if you do want to own some bonds, securities, and assets in the portfolio, especially a portfolio like mine that's really heavy on stocks. I do like stocks more than bonds though, but for portfolio diversification's sakes, I bought some bonds. So Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF sitting around $50. Shares 20, average cost 49. Total return up 1% on this, but I just bought this recently, $18. Portfolio diversity exactly 7%. So pretty good ETF. I really like this ETF, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. And the last ETF in the portfolio, the PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend ETF. Very nice capital appreciation, $277 for a 9% gain. Average cost $37 for the portfolio diversity of 21%, guys. So I am looking to increase my shares to 100, so that way I can get paid just a little bit more dividends and compound invest. So again, guys, that is it from my entire portfolio. It is all ETFs. I did add bonds over gold. I do like that bond pays a monthly dividend yield, but there's really not a lot of capital appreciation with bonds. You guys can clearly see that just by looking at the past year. It's only up 0.26%, and for the past 5 years, it is down 1%. So not a lot of capital appreciation, but again, guys, it does contribute a monthly dividend yield, so you can do some interesting things with BND. You can compound invest it with other ETFs like SPHD, which also pays monthly. So again, guys, it's going to do it for the Robinhood Portfolio, $14,366. The Dow Jones has been kind of flat lately, but I expect things to bottom out soon, especially with U.S. and China trade talks going back on. That's going to be it for this portfolio, guys, and I'll see you next time.